Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways that you can use the QRedew. First way will be to reshape and refresh my old puff. The second way will be to deep condition. Third way will be how to stretch and style your hair with a braid out. The QRedew is a handheld steamer that is great for several things, which include adding moisture to the hair, detangling, reshaping, and stretching the hair. It can be used on wet or dry hair and is great for hair mask and deep conditioning. Once you are ready to use the QRedew, you will remove the reservoir from the QRedew. Then you're going to open up the rubber part on it and you will fill it with water. I only used a small amount of water because there was already water in it. It will hold around 3 ounces of water and is good for 9 minutes of continuous use. Next, you're going to plug in your QRedew and wait for it to warm up. Once the light turns solid, it's ready to be used. You will press this button for steam to be released. The first thing I'm going to show you guys is how I reshape and refresh my old curly puff. First, I'm going to start by applying a leave-in conditioner throughout my entire hair. Then I'm just going to use the QRedew in a circular motion to reactivate my curls. Make sure that you are not placing the prongs directly on your scalp so that you can avoid any skin irritation or burns from the steam. Here are the results from my refreshed curly puff. Next up, we are going to be deep conditioning the hair. I've already applied a deep conditioner, so now I'm just unraveling, and I am going to be using the QRedew from the root of my hair to the ends of my hair. Another thing you can do is add a plastic cap to your hair and use the steam from the steamer to also steam it while it's in the cap. Lastly, I'm going to be showing you how to stretch, detangle, and moisturize your hair. This is a really great option for when you have those old twist outs and you do not feel like re-washing your hair to style it. As you can see, one side is already stretched out, and so I'm going to be moving to the other side, which was air dried from my freshly washed hair from when we deep conditioned. One thing I really like about the QRedew is it can be used on all textures of hair. As you guys see, I have thick hair, I also have a lot of hair, but it can also be used on textures that are looser curled and that are thinner than my hair as well. Now, since my hair is stretched, I'm going to be going into my braid out style. So I'm starting off by parting my hair down the middle. Then I'll be sectioning off my hair in preparation to braid it into 12 different sections. To finish up the second style, I'm going to be using my hands to fluff out and shape my braid out. My hair is hydrated, it is stretched, I have a lot of volume, and I have the perfect braid out. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.